In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete a service in Microsoft Bookings. If you've ever cleaned up your calendar or removed an old appointment type, this process will feel pretty similar. The goal here is to help you safely remove a service you no longer need without accidentally deleting the wrong thing. First, make sure you're signed in to Microsoft Bookings in your web browser and that you're in the correct booking calendar for your organization or team. Once you're in the right place, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. There you'll see a menu with several options. Find and click on the option labeled Services. When you open the Services page, you'll see a list of all the services that have been created for this booking calendar. Each service usually appears as a card or a row, showing the name and some basic details. Take a moment here to double check the service you want to remove. This step is important because once a service is deleted, you'll need to recreate it from scratch if you change your mind later. Next, move your mouse pointer over the specific service you want to delete. As you hover over that service, you should notice some extra icons or options appear, usually on the right side of the service card. This hover action is what reveals the controls you need to manage or remove that particular service. Look specifically for the trash can icon. This icon represents the delete action. It might be small, so don't worry if you need a second to spot it. Make sure your cursor is still over the correct service, then click the trash can icon on the right side of that service's card. As soon as you click the trash can, Microsoft Bookings will not delete the service immediately. Instead, a confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. This confirmation step is there to protect you from accidental clicks. In the pop-up, you'll see a message asking if you're sure you want to delete this service. Before you continue, pause for a moment and confirm once more that this is the correct service. Think about whether it's still in use and consider whether any customers or internal users might be expecting to book it. If you realize you selected the wrong service, you can simply close or cancel the pop-up and nothing will be removed. If you are completely sure you want to go ahead, click the delete button in the confirmation window. After you click delete, the service will be permanently removed from your services list. It will no longer appear as an option for new bookings, and users won't be able to select it going forward. That's all there is to it. To recap, you open the services page, hover over the service you want, click the trash can icon, and then confirm the deletion in the pop-up. By following these steps carefully and taking a moment to double check your selection, you can keep your Microsoft Bookings environment clean, up to date, and focused only on the services you actively offer.